Now then, Simon here from Andover Norton. It's time for another video about what we've got back in stock in this warehouse today. So we're getting a lot of Commander parts back in. This is the exhaust manifold, which is available online. It's part number 921448 and it's £311.94. That's including the VAT. This is part number 920070. It's the exhaust manifold for the Interpol and the Classic, and it's the same price as the Commander one. It's £311.94 including VAT. This is the oil filter bolt. It's part number 061159 and including VAT that's £19.80. You're looking at the magnetic crankcase sump filter kit right now. This is £29.94 including VAT and it's part number 067281. This is the mounting kit for the Norton Atlas petrol tank for the 650SS. It's £28.74 including VAT and it's part number 131836. And finally this week it's the magnetic drain plug set including washers for the sump, oil tank and gearbox for the Commando from 1972 to 1978, and that's just £20.34 including VAT and it's part number 131883. And don't forget, you can set up your very own reminders through the Andover Norton website when an item is out of stock, or just drop us a line on the technical email and we'll do our best to help you out with an answer to your questions, or even when an item is coming back in stock.